Normally in college, students listen to lectures given by professors, but over the next couple of days, the roles will be reversed. Troy University's 4th annual Student Research Conference began on Thursday, with students presenting their personal research in subjects such as biomedical sciences and philosophy.
I wanted to present because it's fun. I did it last year as part of a grade for another class. That was just a blast, and I had a perfectly good paper. Honestly, I was really not done talking about Sicily and thinking about it, so I decided that the conference was a good opportunity for me to keep going on it.
Any student who chooses to present during the conference has the opportunity to gain real-life experience for their future.
It's a really good experience because it helps you to think on your feet, and it helps you to it helps you to communicate ideas more clearly than you might normally would.
In addition to the personal gained skills, the students get to actually teach their research instead of exposing it to only a professor like in a typical class setting.
I remember writing papers for like freshman and sophomore classes when, especially like English comp, no one reads it except the teacher. And that's really boring. Like, it felt really fake to write, especially when the teacher's like an expert on whatever you're writing about. Like, what am I going to teach you, really? For a conference like this, it's an opportunity for me to actually teach someone about Sicily and share what I've learned.
And if Robertson had one thing to remind the students, it's to be involved.
The more activities like this that you're involved in, the better off you'll be educationally, and the better you'll look on your resume.
The Student Research Conference wraps up on Friday. Lauren Harksen, Troy, TrojanVision News.